Welcome to Gadget V. Today we are going to see Kawasaki Ninja ZX-14. Subscribe to our channel. This miniature bike is from Maisto and this is 1:18 scale model, and it has been well packed by Maisto, and it has been designed very well by the actual details of the bike has been presented very well, and Kawasaki's logo, other stuff's and also good, and it has been given well in even it is visible from the outside of the package. Let's open the box. Thanks for watching this video. Kindly subscribe and like and share our video.